I'm sorry, wrong person.
Okay.
You're a kid. Stop recording.
Hey, I don't want to be there.
Me either.
A fake photographer.
I'm going to throw it in water if you don't turn it off.
Daddy. Daddy.
I don't want your phone on.
Hey,
Hey, I don't.
You need to grow up before you get smacked. Record that.
You're welcome for your views, by the way.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Have a great day.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is News Now Ninja. Today's video is a huge shout out to Captain Crunch, who's out exercising his First Amendment rights of public photography at the boat ramp. And I never would have thought that this many people don't understand basic rights. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments section. Get to the link in the description for Captain Crunch and let him know that News Now Ninja sent you, and let's get straight to it.
Everything. Everything. Yeah. What you gonna do with that gun? Huh? So you got a gun. Yeah. I just wondered, you just sitting here filming us. Yeah, I'm just taking video. Am I gonna be on TV? You might be, you never know. I'll be a movie star then, huh? Hey, you're good looking enough for it. I was just wondering what you were doing. Just taking some video. Heck yeah. Great deal. Told him he's good looking enough for it. Alright, you take it easy. You too, brother. Hey! I don't want to be there.
Me either.
Too bad, you're in public.
Turn that off of us.
Nope,
Turn that off, bud.
you're in public.
I'm going to throw it in the fucking water if you don't turn it off, bud.
Daddy. Daddy.
If you attempt to touch my property, sir, I will defend it.
Well, look, you're offending me.
You're in public.
I don't want your phone on.
Hey,
Hey,
I will defend myself.
I don't want.
Hey, pull a knife out on me, motherfucker. I will square
I
up
don't
with
want
you.
your phone on me.
Get the truck now. Do you understand
I
me?
don't want your phone.
Before you do something stupid, get back to your truck.
Okay, then don't put us on your stupid YouTube.
Yeah, we don't.
Act stupid, you get treated like you're stupid. I don't care.
We asked you not to record us.
Too bad, you're in public.
That's not right, though.
It's the law.
Okay, then your property is public property. We should be able to throw it in the water.
So,
No, you're ignorant. Nobody wants to be on your thing.
you pulled a fucking knife out on me. We're filming.
Right.
Oh, I know. I'm pretty sure I got it on fucking video too. That's why as soon as I seen him pull it out of his pocket, I fucking put this one up. I was like, dude, you're not gonna fucking put the knife on me. Plus, I always conceal carry myself.
I quit.
Yeah.
I need to go back. I went
They
to
got my
work.
goddamn blood.
I went to work at heavy construction and I just
You're
quit
taking
there.
away our privacy.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Oh my god.
It almost was coming down.
You're welcome for your views, by the way.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Have a great day.
Be very surprised if old man doesn't go to jail for pulling a knife out on somebody.
Yeah, fuck you. I have no idea what you're talking about.
I got it on camera, you old fart. I got it on 2 different angles too.
Yeah, it's not toothpick.
asked.
Ma'am.
I wouldn't do you that.
No, I can't do that right now. I'm filming.
But you just filmed my car and my grandkids. Because the boat, if you got the boat, baby, you have to turn.
Okay.
I'm going to just call the police. Don't worry. Don't worry. I can do everything you do.
Ma'am, I don't see what your problem is.
You just took a picture of my car and my license plate.
So?
Okay. Okay. All I was asking you is a nice question. Can you let me see? Because that's invading our privacy.
Do you have no privacy in public?
Yes, it is. We got rights. We have rights to say that we don't want you record. You record me?
Absolutely.
Okay, I can record you too then. I can video record you too.
Ma'am.
You want to be silly? You being silly?
I'm not being silly.
You acting childish.
Says the woman who came over to ask another
Guy
person.
that's recording people trying to get money on his own. Right here, trying to get money on his own with his poor self.
Okay.
A fake photographer.
A fake photographer.
Yeah, you need to grow up, your little kid. You need to grow up before you get smacked. Record that. Record that. Record that. Record that.
This lady's got a problem, guys. She doesn't understand.
I don't have a problem.
She doesn't understand the rights.
Babe, I'm a straight A student in college. I'm sorry, wrong person.
Okay.
You're a kid. Stop recording me.
Hey,
Stop recording me.
do it
You
again.
better move.
Do it again.
You better move.
Do it again. You're gonna get
Oh,
maced. Do it again. You're gonna get maced.
No, shut up.
Do it again. You're gonna get maced. You just assaulted me.
Let me show you something. Let me show you how to make something. You gonna mace me? Hold on. You gonna mace me? Come on, move. You gonna mace me? I'm gonna pull it right now. Come on. You gonna mace me?
Why are you videotaping the shit show?
Trying to get as much as I can, man.
So they can redo it?
That?
No, this.
Oh, it doesn't matter, man. I'm just trying to take some video, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Get back. Bro, get back. Get back, man. Get back, man. Get back. Get back. Get back. I'll mace you again, bro. Get back. Get out of my face, dude. Get back, bro. You're drunk and you just walked up on me. Get back.